I am everything. And I have been here for a long, long time. Forever will be. Everything around you is me. You are me. I am the air you breathe, the ground underneath your feet, the soil that grows all food. I am the water, the rivers, the clouds, the oceans, the forests, the trees, and all its birds. I am you and her, and him and them. We are together. My health is your health. When I die, you will die too. I am the farmland you feed from, the industry you depend on. I make your airplanes fly and keep your houses warm. I am your energy. I am your land. We are both shapers. We grow and destroy. Now I ask you, what do you want to shape? What are you willing to give and let go of? You can shape our future. With love and determination, let's do it together and start now.